to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the Ninja BL660 blender, a popular choice for smoothie lovers, aspiring chefs, and anyone looking to elevate their kitchen game. But is it the right blender for you? Let's explore the pros and cons of the Ninja BL660. First, let's take a quick look at what the Ninja BL660 has to offer. This powerhouse boasts a 1,000-watt motor, 72-ounce pitcher, and a stack blade system designed to blend everything from frozen fruits to tough vegetables. It also features multiple speed settings and a pulse function for added versatility. Let's talk about the pros. One of the biggest advantages of the Ninja BL660 is its powerful motor. With 1,000 watts of blending power, it easily handles tough ingredients, ensuring a smooth and consistent texture. Next up is its large capacity. The 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for making large batches, whether you're prepping for a party or meal prepping for the week. You can whip up enough smoothies for the whole family without having to blend in multiple batches. Another great feature is the intuitive control panel. With simple speed settings and a pulse button, blending becomes quick and effortless, ideal for users of all skill levels. Let's not forget about cleanup. The pitcher and blade assembly are dishwasher safe, making post-blending cleanup a breeze. Plus, the sleek design means it looks great on your countertop. Now, while the Ninja BL660 has many advantages, it's important to discuss some of its drawbacks. One common issue reported by users is the noise level. This blender can be quite loud during operation, which might not be ideal for early mornings or late-night smoothies. Another downside is the weight of the pitcher. At 72 ounces, it can be cumbersome to lift, especially when full. Some users have mentioned difficulty pouring or handling the pitcher, particularly if they're not accustomed to heavy kitchenware. Additionally, while the control panel is user-friendly, it lacks a dedicated setting for specific tasks like crushing ice or making nut butter. This could require some experimentation to find the best settings for certain recipes. When compared to other blenders in the same price range, the Ninja BL660 holds its own, but it does have some stiff competition. Brands like Vitamix and Blendtec offer premium blenders that come with additional features and more precise control, but at a higher price point. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still delivers excellent performance, the BL660 is a great choice. So, is the Ninja BL660 worth it? If you're looking for a powerful, versatile blender that can handle a variety of tasks, it's hard to go wrong with this model. The large capacity, ease of use, and solid performance make it a popular choice for many home cooks. However, if noise level and weight are major concerns for you, it might be worth considering other options. Ultimately, it boils down to your personal preferences and blending needs. Thanks for joining us in this review of the Ninja BL660 blender. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and kitchen tips. What's your favorite blender? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, happy blending.